Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to teach you how to get the area of a circle using this formula right here. Area equals pi times the radius of the circle squared. So let's start with the first circle. We know that the radius is 5 inches long. So the formula is area equals pi 5 squared. So then you just type this into the calculator you have. So you type exactly this. Oh, also you can do, instead of the pi logo, you can also just do the three first numbers of pi, 3.14. So let's this time do it with the pi logo. We type this into the calculator, 5 squared, and then you get 78.54. So this is the answer to the first question. This is the area of the circle. So let's go straight to the second circle. The second circle is a bit larger and in centimeters, but it's exactly the same. So as we know, area is pi radius squared. So the radius of the circle is 7 centimeters. So this time we're going to do 3.14. So 14. And then 7 times 7 squared. If you use the 3.14 instead of the pi, you have to put a times in it. Okay, so we type this into the calculator and then you get 153 and 86. This time we have a bit smaller circle. It's still going to be the same. Just gonna write the formula again. Area equals pi radius squared. And the radius of this circle is 3 centimeters. So we're gonna do 3.14 again times 3 squared. Should equal 28.26. Like this. So this one is a bit different because they didn't give us the radius. They gave us the diameter of the circle. The radius is exactly in the middle of the diameter, and the radius, the diameter here is 12 inches. So 12 divided by 2 will get you 6. So this half of the circle is 6. So here we can do immediately pi 6 squared equals 113, 113.04. Let's write it down at a different place because that place doesn't have very good space. So we get pi like this. I'm sorry, 6 squared equals 113.04. So this is how you get the area of a circle. Again, if you have the diameter instead of the radius, you just divide it by 2. I will show you another example. I'm gonna erase this all quick. Just this one. Let's say instead of 5 we have, let's pull this through. Let's say instead of 5 we have 20 centimeters. 20 centimeters, and we divide the 20 by 2 to get the radius. 20 divided by 2 is 10. So 10 is your radius. This is going to be a bit bigger number, but that's okay. It's still the same, it's still pretty easy. So we put this into the calculator. Pi 10 squared equals 1256.637. So this was how you get the area of a circle using the radius. It's very easy, it's very simple. I hope you understand it. Yes, if you like the video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions left, you can always ask them in the comments.